This is a video in continuation of the two other videos about how to install a door. This is part of the frame. This is the part of the frame which will hold the door. So what I wanted to show you is this. Some doors comes with the direction fixed, so you can only open them from the right or from the left. But some of them come what is called rebattibile. It's changeable. You can change the direction. And this is the frame where you have to be careful, because if I have my door opening to the right, from the right, so if I would have put this in the other direction, that means that the door will need to be open from the space inside. But I want to open the door from the space outside, so I want to make sure that this is actually pointing to the room in which I want the door to be open. This is very important because that if you need to cut it and then you cannot change it, because I needed to cut it, for example, because the door was too big. This will make you basically have to buy a new door. So also check the frame